Hello friends, welcome to New Cuisine 24 and the Geography of Taste. I'm Chef Walter. The region featured in this episode is Puglia or Apulia. So let's talk about the region and find a recipe of particular interest. Well, I have a map here with me and Puglia is right here. It's classified as, of course, the heel of the country. It's a land of sea, hills and endless plain. Attract visitors from all over the world to immerse themselves within the 800 kilometers coastline along the Adriatic and the Ionian Sea, but also for its picturesque villages and artistic richness, traditions, and religious practices that still exist and live untouched. Apulia will always charm you for the next return. When you think of the region, the trulli come to mind. The conical-shaped dry stone huts fill the valley of Itria and the Murge from Alberobello to Locorotondo and throughout the central and the southern areas. Since 1996, the trulli of Alberobello is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The trulli is only one of the wealth of the region. Cities such as Lecce, Bari, Polignano, and many others make the area a palette of Romance and Baroque architecture. And then we have the food. The Apulian cooking relies on simple ingredients, enriched with products of the land. Vegetables like chicory, cime di rapa, tomatoes, onion, eggplants, and peppers, always combined in any particular courses. Many of the dishes you've already tasted in your favorite restaurant, or probably made them yourself. Apulia leads Italy in the production of olive oil and wheat, which provides countless pasta brands throughout the country and abroad. First courses are inevitable in the Apulian cuisine, with many countless pasta variations, mostly homemade according to recipes, handed down from generation to generations. Among the most important first courses are indeed orecchiette with cime di rapa, which are offered with tomato or with dry ricotta in a white sauce of garlic. Second, I'm suggesting a tiella, a first course made with rice, potatoes, mussel, onions, and tomatoes. Then we have the Salento classic, the octopus, cooked in a terracotta pot with onion, tomatoes, and fresh herbs, and countless more seafood options. As far as bread, think of Altamura bread, known all over the world, taralli, or perhaps local choices of cheeses like pallone di gravina, canestrato pugliese, or the trendy one called burrata. The choice of vegetables is very ample, from fava bean puree with chicory to stuffed tomatoes and artichokes, from fried lampascioni to eggplant cooked in a multitude of ways. For sweet ending, the undisputed leader is pasticciotto leccese, a classic dessert of the Salento area, a short crust pastry filled with cream and wild cherries, and it's a typical breakfast in the Salento territory. As for street food, in the Apulian region, there are plenty of options. You cannot miss the focaccia barese. Its topping varies from area to area. The traditional recipe has fresh tomatoes and olives, but you can have it also with potatoes or plain. Another delicacy worth noticing is fried panzerotto, which is filled with finely minced meat, fresh peas, caciocavallo cheese, and mortadella. The Apulian region is also a land of interesting wines. Among its most well-known examples are Primitivo di Manduria, which is a DOC and DOCG. It's a protected red wine from the province of Brindisi and Taranto. Negroamaro, a wine variety native of the Salento area, also offered its variation as Salice Salentino, as a rosé as well. And then we have the Castel Del Monte Aglianico, a DOC red wine produced in the province of Barletta-Andria-Trani and Bari, which is its largest city. The recipe I chose for Puglia is called rustico leccese, a puff pastry stuffed with mozzarella cheese, bechamel, tomato, and black pepper. You can download the recipe by going to www.chefwalterfinefoods.com and it's /blog. And that does it for Puglia. You can follow us on this YouTube channel on the Chef Walter's Cooking School. Subscribe to Flavors and Knowledge, a brand new podcast which is available on your preferred platform. And we'll chat next time as we travel to another region of Italy to discover its gastronomic wealth. Hey, if you're cooking today, keep your eyes on the fire, and thanks for watching. We'll chat next time. Ciao ciao from Puglia.